Come test drive the 2017 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, electronic stability control, power liftgate, xenon headlights, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.